Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going on an adventure. We're going on we're going hiking in the hills. Just me, Matthew, Jamoy and Maya with Ola. Alex is at home. Alex is studying because he has exam coming up. So Alex is not here with us today. And most of the time you're not going to see Alex because he's at home studying for his exam. So we're just gonna walk in the hills today just to catch a breath of fresh air. Yo, we're going to look at the bees, Maya? Okay, let's go and look at the bees. So come along with us, guys. Come, let's go and look at the bees. Come tell me what you know about the bees. They changed the glass thingy thing here for the bees because it was... Tell me what you know about the bees.
Les abeilles,
Yes? What do you know about the bees?
eh ben, ils font du miel en ce moment.
Of course
Cette
you have
ruche,
bees
elle fait
inside.
beaucoup de miel.
Yeah, you can see the honey roll.
Et même, il y a
come
du
out.
miel qui déborde.
And these boxes. Be careful.
Pourquoi vous les avez colorés?
Look, you see this up name. Where the box name? No. The triangle looking, this rectangle looking something on the ground. What name again?
C'est les cadres réservés au miel.
Yeah, but in English.
Oh, je sais pas. Don't know in English. We never make honey in English.
You never make what in English?
Honey.
It named beehive. And in English, we don't have no box where grow bees in. We have bees building a house in a tree.
In English, you make marmalade, you don't make honey.
Of course, we have honey. You see where we live, anchovy, Matthew? When you go at the fence, watch a mango tree then there? There's a one big beehive in the mango tree then there stuff. With whole heap of bees in there. And we used to go where they go take out honey. This is what I know. Come on, Jemima. See what I thought here. Look, watch there. Not more than some bad pit. They come back and kick it down and tear out that, you know. But they're not supposed to do it. Come on, Maya. Come on, that's it.
Il y a des filles et des garçons qui donnent des coups de pied. Tu sais, des fois, il y a des cadres comme ça. Et on donne des coups de pied, du coup, après, ça tombe.
All right. She said you have the boys and the girls kick the side of the bees house until it fall in. This is where we are today, guys. Look at this magnificent view. If you can see Ola, look. Jamoy running all the way up there. So we are on a hike today. I don't want to walk too close to the edge. But as you can see, it's like a big hole in the rock here. I'm breathing hard, guys, because we're coming from all the way down there. You can see all those houses down here we live, and this is where we are. So I'm breathing extremely hard now because I'm tired. Wow, look there. But we're going all the way to the top.
Allez, 1, 2, Wistiti.
Smile, Jamoy.
Wistiti, Mimi Wistiti.
Jamoy, what up it, Jamoy? Are you need this, not you?
Yeah. C'est bon?
Jamoy, what up it, so?
Voilà. Ok?
C'est une vidéo.
C'est bon?
Smile with me. Mathieu tap the emoji, so come see you now.
Allez, c'est bon.
Jamoy, bisous.
Allez.
Bisous, Maya.
Oui.
Ouais.
Merci.
Total.
prendre le petit déj en pyjama.
Oh non.
Quoi? Oh non?
Moi, je déteste.
Hôtel 5 étoiles?
We finally reached the destination in the cave. Let me say hello.
Hello.
Hello!
Hello, hello.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is MJ.
My name is Daddy. When I said that,
My name is Mohammed.
Maya, Maya,
My name is Don. Don Brown Skin. Yes, it's me, Don Brown Skin.
what that means, Dan Brown skin.
Not that, I want him.
Oh, my baby boy.
Allez, on joue avec Mimi.
Oh, we're going to continue our road. But we finally reached to the cave. And we're going back home now.
Hello, hello, what's your name? C'est pour ça qu'on descend avec les pieds sur le...
Côté.
Ah. Donne un bout de ta corde à ta mère.
Maman.
Y'all have broken glass here, so give it to me.
Tire. C'est bon.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Go on.
On peut marcher sur des grosses pierres, sur des gros foncés. Allez, avance. Viens. Avance, maman.
Whoa.
Avance.
Look at my hair. Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Allez, viens. On n'est pas là pour rien. On est là pour...
Whoa. 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 Go, Mimi, go.
Même renard.
First, Madam Messi come a bush. We're skipping rope. And I run in a bush, so we're skipping rope.
Même renard. Même lapin.
How you go, Maya? We're coming to the end of our trail now. And Maya, she is running and skipping along.
C'est un champ de fleurs.
Allez, go. Cours.
Non, mais je les ai écrasés.
Mais c'est pas grave, tu vas aller courir comme ça. Regarde, tu vas courir comme ça. Allez, go. Who can't hear Leonie out? Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh, you pick flowers for me? Let me see them. Oh, they're so beautiful. Thank you.
J'ai ramassé d'autres fleurs sur le chemin. Il y en a.
Okay, go. Go.
Dans des bouquets, pas vrai qu'il faut un peu d'herbe.
Ouais. Tu vas les sauter là? Tu vas les sauter ou pas?
Je vais sauter.
Mais viens pour sauter.
Daddy!
Allez, saute si tu veux. There?
Je vais sauver, Maya. Saute, saute, saute.
Tu
sautes?
Olivier Field.
Oui.
Ça vient, ouais, avoir comme dans
Maya, Maya, in a few years from now, you can go walk all and look.
Tu dis ça et demain il n'arrête pas de te demander pour aller la promener.
Ouais. So she walk him good and all of be. Maya tell him to sit down. Maya tell Olaf to sit down. Tell Olaf to sit down.
Dis juste s'asseoir.
Good dog, Olaf. Good dog. Good dog. Let me tell her she's a good girl. Tell her. She's a good girl. Alright, in a couple of years, Maya go walk Olaf. Sweet and now it's dinner time.